So all this email is saying that, hey, thank you for, referring this person, and you got $25 inside your bank account. That's really, really fast, and you get these congratulations every time you get $25 in your bank account. This can happen in like 1 minute. You can do this. What's up, guys and girls? This is Jaffry Ward, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to make $25 in 1 minute. Now, I just shows you some proof of an email that I got, but I'm actually inside of my account and actually showing you just $25 promotional credit that I received. Now, you're not going to have to refer people if you don't want to in order to get this money, but this is going to be a bonus that's going to be given to you for opening up an account, which is the money you can go and withdraw in any ATM or whatever. This is going to be very, very simple for you guys to do. But if you also want to refer people, you can earn $25 per person that you share this with, and that's how I got this promotional credit. And that person that I referred also got $25. So this is really, really simple to do. And if you don't want to do referrals, you still can use this, and I can actually show you how to turn that $25 and make a whole lot more money with that. And I'm gonna explain that in this video. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I teach you different ways to make money online, from online ways to offline ways. I got a whole lot of good content coming up, so you definitely want to be subscribed to this channel and hit that bell notification. Also, since we're doing this, I'm going to be giving away $25 as well to a person, on this video. I'm gonna do 2 to 3 people per week that I'm going to give $25 away to. So if you want to enter in that contest, all you have to do is like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video on social media, because I actually do check and see who's sharing the video and sharing this video, or my videos in general, and I actually give them more entries, and they actually the people that have shared my video have actually won some bigger prizes. So if you want to win bigger prizes, make sure you share my video. Also, comment "I want in," and that is the way you enter into any contest. Even if I'm not running the contest, I will say I'm not running the contest. But just because I don't say it in the video doesn't mean I'm not running a contest. So just today I just thought about it and just said that okay, then I'm running the contest. But I do these contests and I mix and match videos, which ones I choose, comments, all that good stuff. So in order to win, that's what you need to do. So this is fairly simple. All you need to do is, there's going to be a link in the description below, and it's going to take you over to this Aspiration account. Aspiration is a prepaid bank card, just like Chime, just like Simple. If you already have those cards and accounts, then you are already good to go with this. All you have to do is just come over here and sign up. You basically know the process. Sign up, and what you need to do in order to get that $25, and I read this in the terms and conditions, you actually have to fund your account with a minimum of $10. But I'm going to teach you exactly how to get $10 in this video, so you actually have that funded before your card even gets there, so don't even worry about it. But once you sign up, it's fairly simple to sign up process. You don't pay ATM fees. So if you actually go to a bank ATM and they have ATM fees, they will reimburse you for it. I've actually, as a matter of fact, that was my wallet that just fell. I actually got a whole lot of money from reimbursements from Aspirations, just by you, because I do need a cash. I occasionally need some cash from time to time, so I have gotten bank fees, but you actually can get that reimbursed, and it's really simple. They're a great company. Aspiration loves to donate to charity. Matter of fact, once you earn your $25, you can actually they'll actually give you 25 do-good dollars. So those are just dollars that you can donate. So you get $25 cash in your own Aspiration account, then you have do-good dollars, which you can then donate to a charitable cause of your choice. So this is so simple. This is really simple. And so you're getting a total of $50, but those do-good dollars are for charity, and that $25 cash is for you. It's really simple. Like I said, you just sign up, and once you sign up, you're going to get access to your account automatically. So if you already have $10 to fund your account with, just transfer that $10 over to transfer that $10 from your bank account, to Aspiration. To hook up your bank account to Aspiration is easy, just like any other link bank account system that you've done before, and you'll just be transferring $10 over to your Aspiration account. And then once you get your card and once you activate it and get that $25 cash bonus, you have $35, and if you want to, you can just transfer it right back to your bank. It's so simple, but like I said, every week thousands of Americans open up accounts, but a lot of them don't have the features like this. So if you want, like I said, this is really, really simple to sign up with. But if you don't have $10 to fund your account with, I'm going to actually show you how to get that really quickly. So you need to at least have $2. If you have $2, and I know a lot of people may not have a lot of money, but you need to at least have $2. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this really quickly. So you can sign up for Capital, and once you sign up for Capital, you can actually link your Aspiration account. Now you have to link your Aspiration account to Capital. So after you sign up for Aspiration, you're going to get your login information. This is before your card get here. So you already have your login information where you can log in, add bank accounts, and do all different stuff of that nature. Get your routing and account number and all that stuff. But you will have access to your account before your card get here. Okay, so once you go ahead and sign up, and once you get your information, you can come over here to Capital and sign up with Capital. And give me 1 second because I didn't add this link to my link tree, and I want to do that real quick. All right, I just had to make sure that they were still doing the promotion, the $10 promotion, and you get $10 per referral. So once you get access to your Aspiration accounts, you want to come over here to Capital, and you want to use that same that same Aspiration login information to connect your account to Capital. Capital is basically a savings app. You just put money in here to save money, but you're going to create a $1 goal because you're only going to be saving $1. Okay, so once you put in that dollar into your goal, you're going to get a $10 bonus, basically for creating an account with Capital. So this is really simple. You just come in here, you sign up, you create a goal of $1. You hook up your Aspiration account right here. You make sure $1 is in your Aspiration account, so when they do the transfer, they can go ahead and do it easily. Now you're gonna have to confirm your Capital account by confirming some ACH deposits that they're going to put into your Aspiration account. So they might do a 5 cent and a 3 cent that you have to confirm, like you would do if you connected your PayPal account to your bank account. So it's basically the same thing. They're going to send some minor deposits. You confirm that, and then you're good to go with Aspiration. And once you transfer $1 into that $1 goal, you're going to get a $10 bonus. And if you want, and that's your money, that's your referral bonus, basically, when you go through my link. And also that's going to be a total of $11 in your Capital account. When you're ready, just go ahead and transfer that money directly back to your Aspiration account, and that's $11 in your Aspiration account. Now your Aspiration account is now funded to get that $25 bonus. So if you didn't get that, rewind this video and watch it again, because I'll go through it again. But that's basically all you need to do. And also, if you want to get an extra $5, just to add to your Aspiration account, you can connect your Aspiration account to Digit as well. And once you do your first autosave, you get an extra $5. So these companies are literally just throwing free money at you guys to sign up with them. So this is really, really simple. Clio, the same thing. You get an extra $5 when you sign up and link your card and create a wallet. Really simple. All of these are on my link tree, by the way. So I think I had it up here. So Clio is right here. Digit is right here. I'll add Capital under here, and these are some more apps that you can actually link and actually earn a free $5. Now that you have an Aspiration account, you can link to Goal Setter as well, and Hooch, and once you connect to Hooch, you get a free $5 as well. So this is what I did to earn a whole lot of money, online through apps, and this is how I got that initial money to start promoting and showing people that, hey, this app is paying. So you want to do this the same way, and plus you get a free $25 when you sign up. Now this is the only link where you can get that $25 promotional credit with Aspiration. I want to make that clear. If you go to the site and just sign up, you're not going to get that $25 Aspiration bonus. So you definitely want to go through the link in the description below. But that's how you do it. That's how you get $25 in 1 minute. And once your account is funded with $10 or more, you'll see this in your account, and you have $25 in money. And once you get your card, you just activate it. And let's say you want to go get your money off your card from the ATM, you just get your money off the card from the ATM. It's really simple. It's just like any other prepaid card, only this one is giving you a bonus in cash to sign up. Hope this video helps you guys. I hope you guys learned something. Like I said, all the links will be in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you enter the $25 contest, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.